What if we told you the difference between a side hustle that makes $200 a month and one pulling in $5,000 isn't your skill level or your marketing budget? It's the machine sitting on your desk? Today, we're counting down 10 pieces of equipment you can order right now from Amazon that don't just save time. They unlock entire business models most people don't even know exist. Number 10. Bambu Lab P1S. You know that friend who's always talking about passive income, but never actually does anything? Well, here's where the conversation gets real. There's a growing army of people who figured out that while everyone else is dropshipping the same garbage from AliExpress, they can design once and print forever. The P1S doesn't mess around. This thing hits 500 millimeters per second, which, in human terms, means you're looking at a 6-hour print finishing in under 2. The AMS lets you queue up 4 different colors, so that articulated lion you're selling on Etsy, it comes out of the printer already assembled in orange, khaki, or whichever color you want. No painting, no gluing. You wake up and it's done. And the best part? 15 minutes to set up. Out of the box, calibrated, ready to print. If you've been putting off learning 3D printing because it seemed too technical, this is your on-ramp. Number 9. VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner. Have you ever wondered how jewelry stores get those rings to look brand new again? It's not elbow grease, it's physics. Sound waves at 40,000 vibrations per second create microscopic bubbles that implode against metal surfaces, blasting away decades of tarnish, grease, and grime. And we are not talking about dainty little tabletop models. This is a 30-liter beast with digital temperature control and a stainless steel tank that can handle carburetors, dental instruments, or an entire tray of vintage watches at once. If you're into flipping, restoration, or offering services nobody else in your town does, this machine pays for itself the first time someone hands you their grandmother's oxidized necklace, and you hand it back looking like it came from Tiffany's yesterday. The VEVOR isn't flashy, but it turns rust into revenue. Number 8. xTool Screen Printer. Let us guess. You've thought about starting a clothing brand, but the idea of dealing with messy emulsions, darkroom chemicals, and aligning screens by hand made you bail before you started. What if I told you there's a way to skip all of that? The xTool Screen Printer uses a laser to burn your design directly onto pre-coated mesh. No photo exposure, no failed screens. Just load your file, let the laser do its thing, and you're ready to print. The 3-axis micro registration means your 3-color design actually lines up. And that 60-degree hover? It keeps your ink from dripping when you're switching between shirts. This is how small streetwear brands are producing 20 to 50 pieces at a time, with that buttery professional hand feel that heat transfer vinyl just can't replicate. If you've been sketching designs in your notebook, this is the machine that takes them off the page and onto people's backs. Number 7. Cricut Venture. A local coffee shop asks if you can make a window decal. Excited, you say, yes. But here's the twist. They want it 6 feet wide. Now what? Most hobby cutters tap out at 12 inches. The Venture, 25 inches wide, and it'll keep cutting for 75 feet if you need it to. We're talking storefront signage, car wraps, bulk sticker runs for festivals, things that require a real machine, not a toy. The 45-degree footprint means it doesn't eat up your entire garage, and the speed is commercial grade. You're not babysitting this thing for hours. You're loading a roll, hitting go, and coming back to a finished job. If you've been turning down gigs because your equipment couldn't handle the size, that just changed. Number 6. FoodSaver Elite All-in-One Liquid Plus. Okay, hear us out. We know this isn't sexy, but neither is throwing away $300 worth of spoiled inventory because your freezer failed overnight. The Liquid Plus mode is the game changer here. Before this, vacuum sealing anything with moisture, marinades, sauces, and sous vide preps meant liquid getting sucked into the machine and ruining the seal. Not anymore. Automatic detection, 3 sealing modes, built-in cutter. If you're running a meal prep service, selling frozen goods at farmers markets, or doing any kind of bulk food production, this machine is the difference between looking like a home cook and looking like a legitimate operation. Plus, vacuum-sealed food lasts 5 times longer. That's fewer write-offs, more flexibility, and the ability to prep in bulk without watching the calendar like a hawk. Number 5. xTool M1 Ultra. What do you get when you combine a laser engraver, a vinyl cutter, a foil stamper, and an inkjet printer? Chaos usually. Unless you're talking about the M1 Ultra. This is the kind of machine that lets you run an entire gift personalization business from a corner of your living room. Someone orders a leather journal, foil stamp their initials, custom wooden coasters, laser engrave them, greeting cards, print and cut in one pass. You're not juggling 4 separate machines and 4 separate learning curves. You're switching tool heads and getting back to work. The snapshot preview via your phone is genuinely slick. Point your camera, see exactly where the design will land, adjust, and go. No test runs, no wasted material. And with 10 watts or 20 watts laser options, you've got enough power to work on everything from paper to hardwood. If you've ever felt limited by single-function tools, this is your Swiss Army knife. Number 4. Munbyn ITPP 941. Let's talk about the least glamorous part of running an online shop, printing shipping labels at 11 p.m. because you forgot earlier. Thermal printers don't need ink. They don't need toner. They don't jam, smudge, or run out at the worst possible time. The ITPP 941 connects via Bluetooth, so you can print straight from your phone while you're packing boxes. High-res 4x6 labels, custom branding stickers, batch codes. It handles all of it without complaining. If you're moving more than 20 orders a week, this isn't a luxury. It's infrastructure. And the fact that it costs less than 3 months of ink cartridges makes it one of those no-brainer upgrades that immediately makes your life easier. Number 3. VEVOR 4-ink BENTSAI B10 Mini. Ever seen those perfectly printed batch codes on glass bottles and wondered how small brands afford industrial coding equipment? They don't. They use this. It's a handheld inkjet printer. You swipe it across your product, glass, metal, plastic, wood, doesn't matter. And it prints your logo, expiration date, barcode, whatever you need. The ink is solvent-based, so it dries instantly and doesn't smudge. And it's Wi-Fi connected, so you design on your phone and print on the spot. If you're bottling hot sauce, packaging handmade soap, or shipping anything that needs professional labeling without ordering 10,000 pre-printed stickers, this little gadget is shockingly powerful. It's the kind of tool that makes your $5 product look like a $25 product. Number 2, Sawgrass SG500. There's printing, and then there's sublimation. The SG500 doesn't just put ink on paper, it turns designs into gas that permanently bonds with polyester and polymer-coated surfaces. That means photo-quality mugs that won't fade after 100 dishwasher cycles. All-over print hoodies with colors so vivid they look unreal. Phone cases that feel professionally manufactured because, well, they are. What sets Sawgrass apart is the ecosystem. You get access to DesignMate software and the Sawgrass Academy, which means even if you've never touched graphic design software, you're not starting from zero. And because sublimation is a heat transfer process, there's no texture, no cracking, no peeling, just permanent, gorgeous prints. If you've been stuck in the vinyl and DTG world, sublimation is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Number 1, Brother PR680W, 6 needles, 1,000 stitches per minute, 0 thread changes. Most people think embroidery is slow, fiddly, and requires artistic talent. The PR680W proves all 3 wrong. You load your design, the machine maps out which needle uses which color, and it just goes. The crosshair LED pointer ensures your logo lands exactly where you want it. And the speed means you're finishing hats, uniforms, and custom gifts in minutes, not hours. Corporate branding is where this shines. Local businesses will pay $15 to $30 per embroidered hat all day long, and your material cost is maybe $4. Weddings, sports teams, promotional giveaways. This machine turns thread into recurring income. And here's the kicker. Embroidery still feels premium. In a world drowning in cheap screen prints, a cleanly stitched logo carries weight. The PR680W doesn't just make products. It makes you look like a professional operation, even if you're working out of your garage. So there you have it. 10 machines, 10 business models, all sitting on Amazon right now. The question isn't whether these work, it's whether you're ready to stop researching and start building.